Hi everyone, Paul Lange from Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Trade of the Week video. This is the week ending 8/7 of 2022 and the stock was CAT, C-A-T. This trade happened on Tuesday the 9th. It was based on a Tier 2 gap with an entry on a 5-minute DTS breakdown play. Management advanced and reward to risk 2.4 to 1. As usual, before we look at that trade, what's available for free members of DTS this week, Monday, is the bi-weekly scanning night. If you're not a free member of DTS, get over to the DTS homepage and figure out how you become a free member. That's disciplinedtradingstrategies.com. Here's the daily chart for CAT, and this is really the key chart because this is based on a gap. It was a Tier 2 gap, and the gaps are rated on the daily chart. This is going to open right here on this particular day, which made it a highly rated short, and it fell like that by the end of the day. Hourly chart gives you a little better view. Because this was a large gap, I did not want to enter it early unless it really gave some kind of good entry or came back first. It dropped almost immediately. You can see that bottoming tail, and this is actually shorted a little bit later, actually in the early afternoon. Here's a better view of what happened. 15-minute chart, we're going to open right there. You can see we dropped really quickly. That was not the purpose, did not take the trade there. Glad I didn't, because the way it came back, I probably would have made just a little bit of money on that. And then it wasn't until right here around 1 o'clock in the afternoon where I found my entry. I'm usually not here in the afternoon. Normally I trade just the morning, but I do come back on days where I feel there's going to be some kind of setup in the market or in a particular stock. And this stock, when I left the screen, was sitting up here, and I wanted to see if it was going to kind of hang sideways. So when I came back, it happened to be good timing. The stock was ready to go lower, and I wanted to get a pretty secure entry. So you can see here, that's going to be target 1, which is the only target taken right around 3:30. There's a 5-minute chart that gives you a nice view of this now. There's our opening, and then we had that big drop and the rally back, and then it's going to be right in here that I took that entry. A very secure, a very confirmed type of entry, which is what I wanted to see because it was hanging a little bit bullish at the time. I didn't mind the little bit of a late entry because I figured it would drop, and it did drop very nice. It gave a really good entry concept, fairly good reward to risk, and then taking it as it started to bounce at 3:30. If I would have held it to the close, it would have made just a few pennies more, no big deal. Overall, very nice trade on a walk away. Wasn't there for the afternoon to see a drop, just came back to collect the money, so to speak. If you like trades like this, you can come join us in the DTS Trading Room. If you go to the DTS homepage, you then go to the Trading Room/letters page, and you can figure out how to join us in the Trading Room. Until next time, this is Paul for DTS. Good trading, everybody.